Hey guys, for some reason yesterday I got a flat tire and found out the tire was torn a bit, and I had to change this temporary tire for some time. And also the person said the tire at the back is also a little bit worn out, so I'm replacing this as well. Yep, I'm gonna have two new tires on my car. By the way, this is Toyota Prius C model and it's a hybrid version. You can drive 1,000 kilometers with one full tank, which is great. Right, removing the tire. Okay, the tire is out. The other tire, we are removing the air. Yep. New tire is getting replaced with the new tire. And where do I see the size?
The sticker.
Okay. So 185, 60. Then you see numbers here. The other tire is also coming out of the wheel now.
This is 560, 80. Any particular brand? Yeah, but it's the brand. They're 325 and fit in balance. This is a good shot to go to.
Easy. Quickly done. So when you saw the tire on the car, you said it's 2018. How did you find that out?
It's got a date here. The first two letter is for the week. So 14th week of 2024.
Oh,
So
I
yours
see.
is 2018.
18. That was yeah. That's an old tire.
Got this one.
Okay.
This is the one with the cracked flat one. This is the one that wasn't broken.
I think he's still removing it.
Oh,
Yeah.
So 21st week of 2018.
I see. Yeah. So you always bring new tires?
Yes.
In case if you have an old stock, what do? You send it back?
No, we don't have much of a stock.
Oh,
So most of the sizes get sold out within a couple of months.
I see. That's good. Yeah. And what's the minimum or maximum we can have? What?
36 PSI.
36. Okay. I always keep 32. Is that okay?
No, put 36.
36. Okay.
If you check them every week or so, put 32 in there. If you
32.
check them weekly when you have time, you fuel up.
I see.
But
Okay.
if you don't, put up 36 because by the time your next service will go down.
Sure. Okay, my second tire.
Third one.
Excellent. Yep. Is this to check the alignment or
No, the balance.
balance? Okay. Looks all good. Okay, it needs a little bit of alteration. Check the year on this one. Yep. 14.24. It's good. 185 by 60. Perfect. Now we're checking the wheel balance on the second wheel. I think it must be 0 or 5. Okay. The left hand side is too much. Perfect. All right. The old tire has been removed. This one is the new tire which we fixed. And we are rotating the wheels from front, it went to back. Now fixing the new tire on the right. That's it. It's an easy job. Okay. The old spare has been placed here. A temporary, this is a temporary one. Yep. Alright. So the new tires have been fixed in front. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. That's good. I might come back soon and replace the tires at the back as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, a bit of manual tightening. It's good. goes back. Beautiful. Let's go and pay the money now. Okay, the wheel caps are pending here.
Okay, I'll show you the photos here.
So for 2 tires, I'm paying 198.
Hello sir, how are you?
That's it. All set to go now. Thank you.